Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best chop saw is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious metalworker or fabricator, and today we're diving deep into the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw, a tool that promises precision, power, and portability. Whether you're tackling intricate trim work, framing a deck, or cutting through tough materials, choosing the right miter saw can make all the difference in the quality and efficiency of your projects. So let's see if this Milwaukee offering lives up to the hype and becomes your go-to saw for all your cutting needs. Number 5. 18V Cordless Jig Saw with LED Light. Introducing our 18V Cordless Jig Saw, designed for ultimate convenience and power. It's compatible with 18V lithium batteries, making it perfect for any project. Achieve precise cuts with its plus or minus 45 degrees bevel capability and 3 adjustable tracks. This tool handles straight, curved, angled, and plunge cuts with ease, offering a maximum cutting depth of 135 mm in wood. Experience efficient work with its high-performance motor delivering up to 2,700 revolutions per minute. Variable speed control ensures fast and stable cutting for any material. Switch blades in seconds with the tool-free, all-metal system. A safety lock-off button provides protection against accidental starts, ensuring your safety. Work with confidence thanks to the clear dust cover that prevents splatter. The integrated bright LED light illuminates your workspace, even in low-light conditions. This package includes the jig saw, various blades for different materials, a screwdriver, and an instruction manual. Please note that batteries are sold separately. What we like. This cordless jig saw offers excellent versatility for various cutting tasks. Its variable speed and orbital settings allow for precise control on straight, curved, and bevel cuts. If you are a DIY enthusiast or homeowner looking for a tool that can handle a wide range of home improvement projects, this is a great choice. What people say. The Milwaukee M18 battery fits perfectly and gives plenty of runtime for cutting 3-4-inch plywood and softwoods. The tool feels hefty but balanced and comfortable in hand, and the built-in LED work light makes it easy to see the cut line. Blade changes are tool-free and secure. Number 4. Milwaukee 2719-20 M18 Fuel Hackzall Bare Tool. Experience the next level of cutting performance with our advanced brushless motor. It delivers increased speed and power, tackling even the toughest applications with ease. Our intelligent system provides optimized performance and overload protection. It ensures seamless communication between the tool, battery, and charger for maximum efficiency. Benefit from superior battery technology that offers more work per charge and longer overall life. This means you can get more done, for longer. Enjoy unparalleled control and versatility thanks to its one-handed design. It offers superior maneuverability compared to standard reciprocating saws. With a longer stroke length, it removes more material per pass for faster cuts. The pivoting shoe ensures constant contact for smoother operation with less vibration. The combination of intelligent electronics and a powerful brushless motor results in up to 3 times longer tool life than competing one-handed reciprocating saws. What we like. This one-handed reciprocating saw is designed for superior control and versatility. Its powerful motor and advanced electronics ensure efficient cutting through tough materials with extended tool life. If you need a compact yet powerful saw for demolition or tight space cutting, this tool is ideal. What people say. Powerful cutting. It is quite holdable in one hand and trims quickly and smoothly. The small size is easily maneuverable and fits in tight spaces. Because of its light weight, your arm doesn't get tired, even navigating between dense limbs. The Milwaukee Fuel Hackzall is a prime example of why I like this brand. The Hackzall is compact, easy to handle and has a strong motor. I was able to climb into a tree and remove thick branches and main trunks. Its size made it possible for me to cut the branch with one hand, while the other hand guided the cut piece down. The Milwaukee Hackzall is the right tool for close quarters, or when you just need to make a quick cut. Its power and ease of use should meet anyone's expectations. Number 3. Milwaukee Electric Circular Saw. Experience the raw power of this tool. It generates 15A corded power, allowing for fast and efficient metal cutting. Get more done on a single charge. It delivers up to 120 feet of cutting on corrugated decking, ensuring extended use. This saw features a brushless motor that provides 4,000 revolutions per minute. This means faster cutting compared to corded competitors. RedLink Plus intelligence is built in for maximum performance. It intelligently protects the tool from overload, overheating, and overdischarge. Tackle demanding applications with ease. It offers a 2 to 9 16-inch cut capacity, making it incredibly versatile. What we like. This circular saw delivers impressive corded power in a cordless package, making metal cutting fast and efficient. Its brushless motor and intelligent protection systems ensure optimal performance and durability. If you are a professional contractor who needs to make numerous cuts on job sites without access to power, this saw will keep you working longer. What people say. Clean cuts and cuts effortlessly through 1 2-inch steel. This cuts through 3/8 like butter, especially good for cutting thinner material. Super powerful, smooth, and built like a tank. Honestly, I wish I'd bought it sooner. It's a little pricey, but worth every single penny. Milwaukee nailed it with this one. Number 2. 2734 to 20M18 Fuel 10 Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw. Experience the power of our 10-inch miter saw. It's designed to deliver an exceptional 400 cuts on a single charge, keeping you productive all day long. Achieve perfect angles with ease. Our advanced chem locking miter system ensures quick and accurate adjustments for every cut. See your cut line clearly, every time. The integrated shadow cut line indicator provides superior accuracy and visibility. Tackle any angle with confidence. Its dual bevel and sliding features offer maximum versatility for complex cuts. This is the ultimate tool for professionals seeking performance and precision. Get the job done right with its robust design and advanced features. What we like. This miter saw provides an exceptional number of cuts on a single charge, ideal for extended work sessions. The dual bevel sliding capability and shadow cut line indicator offer precision and ease of use for complex angled cuts. If you are a trim carpenter or a woodworker who demands accuracy and efficiency for repetitive cuts, this saw will streamline your workflow. What people say. The degrees might be a bit off and require adjusting though out of the box if you are planning on using an outside and inside angle finder and applying it as accurate as possible. This has way better features than my old 12 DeWalt electric miter saw. Love the stops and repeatability of settings. Easy to change bevel and batteries last a long time with what I use it for. This thing has an LED positioned over the blade, so the shadow of the blade as you lower it to your work shows you where material will be removed. Super clever, no calibration necessary. Number 1. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 9 Cutoff Saw. Introducing the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 9-inch cutoff saw. It's designed to deliver powerful performance for demanding jobs. Experience up to 50% less weight compared to gas-powered saws. This tool has the power to cut through reinforced concrete with ease. Achieve a cut depth of 3.4 inches with its 9-inch blade. The rapid stop blade brake ensures quick and safe stops. With an RPM of 6,600 and a 7/8-inch blade arbor, it's built for efficiency. Get the job done faster and cleaner. It features an onboard water connection with a quick connect system. This helps manage dust and improve cutting performance. Equipped with One Key technology, you can track and manage your tools. This adds a layer of security and inventory control. What we like. This cutoff saw is significantly lighter than its gas-powered counterparts, offering comparable power for cutting reinforced concrete. Its 9-inch blade provides a substantial cut depth, and the rapid blade brake ensures safety. If you are a concrete contractor or work in demolition and need a powerful, portable tool for cutting through tough materials on site, this saw is a game changer. What people say. The Milwaukee Chop Saw M18 is a powerful tool that makes quick work of cutting metal. It has a large cutting capacity, allowing for cuts up to 4 to 12 inches thick. The saw is also very portable, making it easy to move around the job site. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.